Goal setting and motivation are the twin engines of personal and professional success. Goal setting provides direction and purpose, while motivation supplies the energy and persistence needed to achieve those goals. Without clear goals, actions lack focus, and without motivation, even the best plans remain unrealized. Together, they form the foundation for productivity, growth, and lifelong learning in both workplace and learning environments. A goal is a specific and measurable outcome that you aim to achieve within a defined time frame. Goals may be short term, medium term, or long term, depending on how soon they can be achieved. Setting goals provides clarity and focus, increases commitment and accountability, encourages continuous improvement, and builds confidence through measurable progress. Effective goals follow the SMART framework, meaning they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. SMART goals clearly define what needs to be achieved, how progress will be measured, and when the goal will be completed. For example, completing a digital marketing certification within 3 months by studying 1 hour daily is a clear and realistic SMART goal. Motivation is the internal drive that energizes and directs behavior toward achieving goals. It explains why we act, how strongly we act, and how long we persist. Motivation can be intrinsic, driven by personal interest or satisfaction, or extrinsic, driven by rewards such as grades, salary, or recognition. Both types are valuable, as intrinsic motivation sustains passion while extrinsic motivation provides structure and incentives. The motivation cycle begins with recognizing a need or gap between the current and desired state. This leads to goal formation, followed by action toward achieving the goal. Feedback and rewards help evaluate progress and reinforce effort, and renewal involves setting new goals for continued growth. This cycle keeps individuals engaged and supports long-term development. Even motivated individuals may face barriers such as lack of clarity, procrastination, low self-confidence, external distractions, or unrealistic expectations. These obstacles can slow progress or reduce motivation. Breaking goals into smaller milestones and rewarding progress along the way helps maintain momentum and overcome these challenges. Effective strategies include visualizing goals, writing them down, prioritizing important tasks, tracking progress regularly, rewarding achievements, and seeking feedback from mentors or peers. These strategies increase focus, strengthen commitment, and help individuals stay motivated even during difficult phases. Self-motivation is the ability to drive yourself toward action without external pressure. It is built through self-awareness, purpose, and discipline. Knowing your personal why, adopting a growth mindset, embracing challenges, staying consistent, and using positive affirmations help strengthen self-motivation and sustain long-term effort. In professional settings, goal setting aligns personal growth with organizational objectives. Employees who set clear goals are more productive, proactive, and prepared for leadership roles. Examples include setting performance targets, improving technical or soft skills, managing time effectively, and strengthening teamwork and communication. Managers also use goals to track employee development and motivation. Goals provide direction, while motivation provides momentum. Without motivation, goals remain ideas, and without goals, motivation lacks purpose. Together, they support continuous learning and meaningful achievement. By setting SMART goals, understanding personal motivation, tracking progress, and staying disciplined, individuals can achieve consistent growth, overcome challenges, and find long-term fulfillment in both personal and professional life.